Hi friends, we're going to do some beginning sound awareness, and we're going to, like in our last lesson, how we changed and rearranged Bingo's name. You just probably watched the video that I linked before this lesson, and that link was the song Diddle Diddle Dumpling, but it's a poem, but they put it to music, so that was really cool. And so what we're going to do is change and rearrange Diddle Diddle Dumpling, okay? So give me a second to set up. I'm going to write the word diddle and dumpling, okay? So the first word I'm going to write is diddle. So what do I need? What letter? Diddle. Diddle. D. Let's read it. Diddle. Okay. And now I'm not going to write diddle twice. I'm going to write the word dumpling. Are you ready? Dumpling. What letter? Good. D. You're right. Dumpling does have a lot of letters in it. So now we're going to change these. Are you ready? Okay. So I'm words that we can be letters, okay? And then we're gonna fill it in. So let me pull out some markers here to make this fun so you guys can see. So the first letter I'm going to write is a W. Now I'm going to write the letter T. Now I'm going to write the letter B. The letter M. And the letter P. So let's put the ending sound. So this is the beginning sound up here. I'm going to underline the beginning sound. Diddle. And this is the ending sound. Iddle. Okay? So if I put iddle to this W, what is it going to say? Whittle. Good job. Whittle. If I put iddle to this letter, which is the letter T, and T is the sound. If I put iddle to that, what does it say? Right. Tiddle. And this is the letter B. And if I put iddle to B, that says biddle. Guess what, friends? We're rhyming. And we're also reading and writing. Look at you. You're ready for kindergarten. You can practice this by yourself, you know. That's the sound. What letter? M. M I D D L E says middle. Okay. Right. And we add ittle to P that says piddle. Good job. Now we're going to do dumpling. Are you ready? I'm going to use these same letters. I think I'm going to use something different for W. So here we go. Are you ready? So this is the letter N, and we're going to do the letter, what's this? T, the letter B, the letter right for Miss McNair and Miss Morgan, and the letter P. Good job. And I'm also going to underline this beginning sound. And we're going to also utilize this ending sound. Are you ready? Here we go. So if I put the beginning sound N to umpling, what is that going to say? Numpling. Good job. So I need to make my what letter? U. Call them out for me. M, P, L, I, N, G. So if I have this T and I change it to T and add umpling, and I add umpling. We were kind of interrupted, but we're going to finish from here. So this is the letter T, and T makes the T sound. So we're going to add these letters. Are you ready? So this is the letter U, M, P, L, I, N, G. And we have the letter, oh, I'm sorry. And what does this say? Tumbling. Good job. Tumbling. So we're going to add the letter B, B to umpling, bumpling, bumpling. Good job. So that's going to bring this down. That's a U, M, P, I, N, G. What letter? My letter, Miss Morgan's letter, and this is the letter M. Umpling, mumpling. So we're going to take those letters back down here again. U, M, P, L, I, N, G. All right, our last letter. And we're going to add the ending sound. What is it? Umpling. So what's this when we add the P sound? Pumpling. So we're going to bring that U, M, P, L, I, N, G. We have diddle, dumpling, and we made the word whittle, tittle, biddle, middle, hiddle. And we have the word dumpling, numpling, tumpling, mumpling, mumpling. All right, wasn't that fun?